Hello. Today we're going to go over the Ruby on Rails app that I created called Thinkalyke. Thinkalyke allows thinkers to set up thoughts where other thinkers can register to attend. This is the landing page. It says Great Minds Think Alike. We have our navigation bar at the top. Sign in, sign up, all thoughts, of course, the brand, and that goes back to this page. And we have a button that views all the thoughts from here, and some thoughts currently being presented. We have these right here. This at the bottom randomly rotates, so whenever you go back, it will change with different thoughts that have been created. Okay? To access the thoughts, you do not have to be a thinker or signed in. You can either click on all thoughts or view thoughts. We're going to go ahead and click on the view thoughts button. On the view thoughts button, we see all the thoughts that have been created. There are also categories for thoughts on the right. A category can only be created by an admin. So let's go ahead and click on a thought. We're going to click on a thought that says Intro to JavaScript. So we click on this thought, and we see information for it. We see the title, Intro to JavaScript, a photo that was uploaded for it, start date, end date, thought details, and comments. There are currently no comments for this thought. We see the user that created it. And we have tags for this. And we have one thinker attending. Thinkers can add tags to thoughts when they are being created. What these tags do is it allows for thinkers to see other thoughts that are related. So for instance, if I click on the code tag, it will take me to the other code thoughts. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the other thought called Rails Think Along. And we see this, and we see other tags on the side. I'm going to go ahead and click on the thinker that created this. And this takes me to all this thinker's thoughts that have been created by this thinker. We're going to go ahead and sign up. We also have a sign in with Facebook option also, which I will go over later. So let's go to sign up. Now it says, welcome, you have signed up successfully. Now, as this thinker now has access to my thoughts, my info, and sign out. So go ahead and let's go to all thoughts again. And this thinker now has the ability to add a new thought. The thinker can add a thought from the all thoughts page, once signed in, or the my thoughts page. So let's go ahead and create a new thought. And we're going to go ahead and submit this thought. Our thought was successfully created. Now, because we are the owner of this thought, we can edit the thought or delete the thought. Let me go ahead and edit. And I'm going to change this to Sears Tower. I can submit that, and we see thought was successfully updated, and we now have Sears Tower. We also have our tags here, which is code, React, and programming. We have no thinkers currently signed up for this. We're going to go ahead and click on the code tag, and we see all the ones that currently have code as a tag. Let's go back to React Think Along. I'm going to go ahead and add a comment. Even though I could put this in the thought details, I'm going to put it down here just to show that it works. I'm going to submit the comment. And we have comments right there. Snacks will be provided. And less than a minute ago, by New Thinker 2. Okay. Now we're going to go to my thoughts. So we currently see New Thinker 2's thoughts created. There's the thought created. They can edit or delete from here also. Now, New Thinker 2 is currently not attending any thoughts. So let's go ahead and change that. Let's sign him up for Intro to JavaScript. We're going to click on register. Okay. Now we have New Thinker thoughts, the created, and one that New Thinker 2 is attending. I'm going to go back to all thoughts, and I'm going to go to all about cars, which the thinker is El Guzman. I want to see everything by this person. And we see El Guzman's thoughts created. Now, if you notice, we do not see the same thing as we do in my thoughts. We only see what other people have created, not what they are attending. You must be logged in as the user itself in order to view the thoughts that are attending. So, once again, I go to my thoughts, and now I can see thoughts attending because I'm attending that. Okay, let's go back to all thoughts. We go to my info, and we can update the info through here or cancel the account. Now here we have categories. I'm going to go ahead and click on programming category, and it shows everything that is placed under the programming category that we did when we created the thought. I'm going to sign out of this thinker, and I'm going to sign in as an admin thinker. Now we have signed in successfully. As you see, we get an additional area when a thinker is an admin. We get the admin panel. So we click on the admin panel. And on the admin panel, we get different things. We could see the thoughts, the thinkers, categories, and we have the ability to create a new category from here. So let's go ahead and create a new category. Submit the category created, and now we have it right there as foodie. If I want to edit it, I can edit it. And category has been updated. I can also delete it if I wish. And the category has been deleted. We no longer see foodie here. Admin panel. We have comments. There's only one comment, and that was by Thinker, New Thinker 2. This is what the comment was when it was created, and the thought that it is on, which is React Think Along. And then we have attendance. These are where thinkers are going. As an admin, you also have the ability to edit a thought or delete a thought created by anyone else. You also have the ability to view other thoughts that they are attending if you are an admin. Now let's sign out. And we're going to go ahead and test our sign in with Facebook option. Go ahead and click on sign in with Facebook. I'm going to log into my Facebook. And I was now able to log in with my Facebook. As you see, we are logged in. We have my thoughts, my info sign out. I can also create a new thought and do everything else that every user was able to do. Yeah. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough of my app, Thinkalyke. It will be up on Heroku soon to be in use. Hopefully, you can use it. So thank you very much and have a nice day.